Paano mo bibilin yun? Pera mo? 10 pesos lang. That's 550. Your money is only 10 pesos. How will we do that? Oh, stop na, stop na. No more na, no more na.
Pawisan niya, pre.
What? Wala naman akong ginagawa. Eh, mahali. 550. Your money is only 10. Paano mangyayari yun? Oh, later. Do you want, fight? Do you want, Sprite? No Sprite? You want, ABCD?
Yeah!
No money.